I'm going to do a eat with me video. The first thing I have is microwave um Jamaican white bread. I love this stuff. You guys, look how thick this bread is. Then I have something more exciting. Publix sub. This is a turkey sub. So I have a lot of black peppers, lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, and even like onions. I think I'm not gonna eat the onions because I don't like onions. I'm gonna take out the onions. So yeah, and oh, cucumbers, but no salt in it. And I have cut up orange. I have to have some type of fruit. Let's begin. I'm gonna time it for, let's do 15. Let's eat up. Mhm. 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 Mm. Mm. Okay, you guys. So I think I'm just going to stop at stop there, even though I'm just gonna stop right there. I think it was like for 5 seconds less. I'm just gonna stop right there. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I've learned today when it comes to spirituality. And I will say this again, and I will never stop saying this. When you are doing any type of fast, um, whether it's intermediate fast, dry fast, or any type of fast, there are spiritual implications to it. It's just not about the physical side, which is losing weight, having bomb skin, and having shiny, healthy hair, or giving your body a rest. No, it's more to it. It's a spiritual meaning. It's a spiritual component to it. Today I had a dream, and I had a dream where, because I was praying to God very hard about what I need to do to change. I talked about in my last video how I need to trust in God. And I feel like I'm too strong, I'm too independent, that I rely on my own understanding and my own ways. It's just me. I just rely on me more than God. So I asked God the Father last night. I got up at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning because I heard something in my room, like a whisper. I felt like it was demonic spirits that are speaking curses in my life. So I got up and I prayed. And I prayed to God, like, God the Father, what do I need to do in order to be set free? The more I try to get out of the hole, the more I am dragged in. So I asked God. I went completely surrender. I surrender myself. I said, God, I don't know. Help me. So I had a dream. I don't particularly know what the dream was about, but I remember spirits was just telling me, I think it was an evil spirit or it can be a good spirit, I don't know, was telling me that I'm not doing something right. I'm not doing something right. And at first I thought it was from God. Now I'm starting to doubt that. Like, because it's all about like, what am I not doing? 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 And I'm thinking like, what if demonic spirits want me to think that there's something I didn't do? Because it's like, if something I'm not doing, then wouldn't God tell me what it was? I just need to pray about this more. It's today I learned about witchcraft. And witchcraft is when you force someone or an event to do what you want it to do. Witchcraft is manipulation. It's influencing a person and manipulating them and controlling them. And a lot of people are in witchcraft. They try to force someone to do something that they don't want to do. And I thought about how other people can be initiated to witchcraft. In America, I don't know about other parts of the world, but I know particularly in America, they are heavy with witchcraft. A lot of people don't know that this, but like Halloween is witchcraft. Once you participate in Halloween, you've been initiated. As soon as you are initiated into witchcraft, you're in the demonic kingdom. And when you are in the demonic kingdom, you start to normalize things that you're not supposed to normalize. You start to think that sickness and cancer and all those type of negative things, you know that you can control something, but you keep telling yourself you can't let it go. And other people are telling you you can't let it go. But you know that in your heart that you can't control it. It's kind of like with a parent. Her kids are acting up, or his kids, their kids are acting up in the store. And you see the mother and the father not even doing anything with the child. Like they didn't even say like, stop doing that. Hey, stop. You see and they see that the kids are acting up, but they don't do anything. They're like, It's like they already gave up. It's like I don't care anymore. Like I can't I don't care. I remember one of them, they say like I cannot control them, you know, if they want to act up, they can act up. But you can't control the belt. You cannot control their tantrum. You cannot control if they want to um throw something or anything like that. But you can control what you would do to them when they do it. So it's like, yo, beat them, talk to them, do something. I honestly think that that is child abuse for you to allow your child to act like that and not take up responsibility, not doing anything. That's child abuse. And when you're in a demonic kingdom, it's a whole new world. Like anything that is out of the ordinary and good, it's a miracle. We're supposed to have dominion over the earth, over our circumstances. But people who are in a demonic kingdom, they don't. They don't. They're more of a domestic animal. With domestic animals, they're not wild. They're not in their natural nature. They depend on people to give them food. They're not supposed to be like that. Just like how animals not supposed to be domesticated, we're not supposed to be domesticated as well. I thought about with slavery, how slavery is more of in the mind. You reducing a person, you're reducing an animal for personal gain, for entertainment. It's just so sick how it's just sick. Those people who owns pet, they actually will own a person. You're thinking like, whoa, Chanel, that's too extreme. But if you can bring someone, you can own something that you're not supposed to own. Why not a person? That's what demonic spirits they do. They reduce you. They make you domestic so that you can rely on them. You can see how they see, which is a very twisted, corrupt way. Like most people on this earth are dealing with a situation where including myself, honestly, are dealing in a situation where they want to get out of this box that are a cage. They want to be wild again and not domesticated, but they just cannot. The more they try, the more something is pushing them back. I believe that the more I know, the more I grow. And the more I depend on God, the less I depend on myself. Because I depend on myself less, the less stressed out I am. It's a process. It is deliverance is a process. At the end of the day, I will get out. I will be free again. And all I have to do is just let go more and more of myself, depend more and more on God and less on me. And it's not going to take a day to do that because I've been doing it for a long time. I depend on myself for a very long time. So it's not going to be a quick process, but it is a process that I'm trying to get out of. Comment below, tell me your spiritual journey so far in this fast. And if you're not on the fast, are you interested to be on the fast? And just comment below and tell me what is your spiritual walk or aspects right now? How did it change? Did you feel like you're closer to your God, or do you feel like you're far away? Or do you feel miserable? you know, just comment below. Tell me what has changed going through a fast like this or any type of fast. As always, like this video, subscribe to future videos like this, and I see you in the next one. And I hope the best for you, honestly. I hope the best for you, and I see you in the next one. Bye.